Why this generation is worried about the color of their skin, the height, the way they look. This worrying nature is making them so sad, this sadness leading to anxiety and depression. This video is going to help you in many ways. No one is perfect in this world. Everyone is lacking somewhere in their life. I have seen people trying to look perfect and using different filters to hide their original self. Every picture you take of yourself can't be perfect all the time, and it is not important that everyone will like your photo. The important thing is that you have to love yourself enough that any comment can't force you to think negatively. Never allow others to think for you, and don't get influenced by their destructive suggestions. There are the things that we can change about ourselves, like I can change myself in a positive way, learning new things, develop new skills, and so on. And there are the certain things which we can't change about ourselves. I cannot change my age, I cannot change my height, I cannot change the complexion, this color of my skin. Too many people are worried about the way they look. They have made a perception in their mind that the fair complexion is superior than the dark complexion, and a heighted person is superior. The person younger in age looks better, and so many misconceptions they have developed in their mind. As long as you like yourself, the opinion of the rest of the people about you doesn't matter at all. There are many actresses in the world who are average looking with a short height, but they have achieved a lot on the basis of their talents, which they have developed in themselves. For example, a person who is not heighted but have other talents in him or her, which the heighted person doesn't have. But they are not focusing on their talents, because they have made mindset that they are not likable, they are not acceptable by others. First, accept yourself, like yourself, love yourself. Why you are feeling so low? Why you already have this in mind that you are inferior than others? Don't waste your mental energy towards destructiveness. Instead, use your mental energy to work something constructive. See, you can't change things in your life. If you don't accept yourself the way you are, then no one will accept you. If you keep underestimating yourself, that everyone will do the same with you. Accept yourself the way you are. Everyone is beautiful and important in themselves. You are calling others beautiful than you, but if you start looking at you in the same way, you also look beautiful. You are beautiful, talented. Know yourself. Accept the reality and make yourself the one that the people crave for your vibes. Let me ask you one question. What is the real beauty? According to you, what is the real beauty? It's all within man. Mindset and acceptance is the most important thing. Never ever compare yourself with others, because comparing leads to self-criticism, and self-criticism leads to anxiety, depression, negativity. We need not to question ourselves negatively. Will I be accepted or rejected? Will I be succeed or fail? Am I dumb or smart? Do not grant space for negative thoughts to your mind. I just love this quote. George Bernard Shaw said, "Inside of me there are two dogs. One of the dog is mean and evil, and the other dog is good. The mean dog fights with the good one all the time. When asked which dog wins, he reflected for a moment and replied, the one you feed the most." In the same way, we struggle in a manner with ourselves all the time. All kinds of thoughts keep moving in our mind, positive, negative, both. We have to decide which one we want to feed the most. The one we feed the most, we will be the best version of it. Why not to feed the positive one? We only need to feed the positive one, guys. We only need to change the way we think, because our thoughts govern our life. So redirect your thoughts towards constructiveness. Stay happy. Know yourself. You are beautiful. You are original, because you are you. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I read all your comments. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you so much.